I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Authenticator to Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your mobile device. Now tap on the apps icon located at the top left corner. Next, tap on your user ID to access your account settings. Then, tap on Security from the menu options. Here, tap on Google Authenticator to begin setting it up. Now tap on Next to proceed. After that, copy the address shown on the screen. Then go back and open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Due to privacy reasons, my screen may look black, but you can still copy the code from Google Authenticator. Now go back to Bitget and paste the code in the required field. Then tap on Next to move forward. After that, enter the code that was sent to your mail. Finally, tap on Confirm to complete the setup.